In this video, we will go over how to set up Revit keyboard shortcuts to work more efficiently. Instead of searching for commands and ribbons, it is much faster to use your keyboard to access the commands. Start by pressing KS to open the keyboard shortcuts menu. Go to the bottom and select Export. This will export all Revit commands and their current shortcuts. I'm going to save mine to the desktop, but you can save it wherever you'd like. The file will save in HTML format. Next, open Excel and simply drag and drop the HTML file we just exported into Excel. That should open a new sheet, and you should now see a list of all Revit commands and their shortcuts. From here, you can make any changes you prefer. If you want a quicker option, you can upload the file to Copilot and ask it to create a custom shortcut system for you. I'm doing this quickly for the sake of the example, but the more specific you are with your prompts, the better the results will be. Once that's done, download the file. Open a new file with all the updated shortcut names. I prefer to copy just the shortcut column. Don't include the header and paste it back into the original file we exported. And now you have shortcuts for all the commands. If you don't want to use AI to assist in the process, you can also just fill out the entire sheet without AI. Once it is done, go to Save As and ensure the file is saved as an XML file. Finally, go back into Revit, open the Keyboard Shortcuts menu, and this time select Import. Locate your new HTML file and select it. This will load all of your updated shortcuts into Revit. And there you have it, complete shortcuts for all commands in Revit. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.